Huh?
Is the GoPro recording?
Yeah. Oh. Trying to get some B-roll, baby.
This video is sponsored by Baby Bottle.
All right, everyone. We are. It's what, Wednesday?
Wednesday the 23rd.
Yeah, we kind of lose track. So, but today is our what'd you call it today?
Relax and visit town. Go eat somewhere in town.
Yeah.
Get groceries.
We're gonna have Thai food. Some spring rolls and sticky rice. So, gotta get more ice for the cooler. We gotta fill the truck up because it's needing fuel, and we slept in today.
A little bit.
Well, I didn't get to sleep in because Bodie needed up, so I was up to see the sunrise. It was really pretty up against the canyon, butte, whatever, butte over there. So we're running into Moab and do some touristy stuff, and get some groceries, and like I said, just kind of take one day to just kind of relax a little bit, and then tomorrow morning we leave to head down to Mexican Hat and Monument Valley, which I'm most excited about for this whole trip. So anyways, all right, here we go. See you in Moab. We just got done getting diesel fuel. Now we're gonna do the touristy stuff. Walk around, see stuff, maybe buy a couple t-shirts.
Their food truck cart.
Oh, okay, okay. Alright. Here we go. To the bookstore.
Howdy, folks. Susan, Linda, Nina, and Koki. Secret knowledge of
Ooh, lots of books.
So many books.
A hug a sloth kit. Oh my goodness. Binocular, a rabbit tail of mystery. It's got the fangs on it.
It's called Binocular.
Like Dracula? Binocular.
Yeah, but it's the bunny.
Yeah, it's bunny.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. All right. What kind of shorts do clouds wear?
Yeah.
What kind?
Underwear.
Thunderwear. I was gonna say thunder pants.
Underpants.
Yeah.
What do you call a girl with a frog on her head?
What do you call a girl with a frog on her head?
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you call a girl with a frog on her head?
Lily.
Lily. Oh my goodness.
Well, yeah, that's cool.
Let's see. Ooh, yeah, these. Ooh. Look at the photography on these babies. That's that big one, Jet. Must be on the other side though, huh? Or no, a different one.
Oh, it's $12.
Ooh. I like all these colorful things in here. much color.
Movie Coco.
I know. Coco. Deli Cruz. Fun jet. Ooh, can't wait to try some Thai food. Ooh, I think this will be the first time that we've ate out. Eaten out? Ate out? Dined in? Dined out? I don't know.
Gotta have a mask on.
I found the frog.
Okay. No entry without a mask.
Mom, I found the frog.
6 feet, sucker.
Mom, I found the frog.
Time to mask up.
Looks like we
Here
got.
we go. All right. I'm ready. Jet, you ready for some? Jet, are you ready for some Thai food?
Yes.
Are you?
Where do
He
elephants
loves Thai food.
with video?
Where do elephants with
An elephant
good.
that sticks
This is
to
peanut butter.
the roof of your mouth.
Yeah.
Hold down a little, come on.
You got a lot of it.
Yeah.
How good was it, Jen? Good. On a scale of 1 to 10.
10.
10? Yours, on a scale of 1 to 10.
This is really good.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
I would have to say like a 9. Yeah.
What did you rate it back home?
Back home?
It's a 7.
Yeah, 6, 7.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't go 10 because I mean, what if 5 years down the road I have something that's really good?
You'll just think of this place like every day.
Honestly,
Really good. I know.
honestly,
It was pretty
I think
good.
you should, if you come in Moab, I think you should actually come here. It's actually really good.
It is very good. It's a great recommendation.
Spring rolls are really good.
My food was delicious. I would say a solid 12. Solid 8.5. Yeah.
You're getting technical. 8.5. On the Jesse Richter
How was
scale.
yours? What would you rate it? A 10? Ooh.
Out of 10.
Ooh. Dang. A 10 out of 10.
This was a hit. The Long family.
11 out of 10. I really like it. What about the spring rolls?
They're good.
Yeah. Even if they didn't have meat in them, they tasted really good.
I'm really full.
That's the... What's the word?
It is,
That's the...
artist's time. Time? Time. I don't know.
That's the what?
Question.
No purpose.
That's the whole idea.
Yeah, there you go. I'm having a stroke.
Oh man. So we just left Moab. We had obviously we had lunch, as you can tell by our lunch. It was great. And then went into what was the name of that grocery store? City Market.
I think so.
City Market. It was pretty good.
A lot of organic food there.
Yeah, everybody's all organic out and super healthy down here. So, of course, the water filling station was out of order. I called them yesterday and it was working, but then today when I needed water, it's broke. In typical Chad fashion. So, the town's really cool. A lot of little gift shops, real touristy, but not like Jackson Hole, Wyoming, where it was like ritzy fritzy, artsy fartsy. It was a lot of like cool hipster people. It's a good vibe. So grocery store was pretty good. A lot of selection. I would say the prices were pretty good. We got a lot of groceries for what we paid for. So we bought some containers of water because the water thing was down. So we're full on water and full on diesel fuel and full on groceries. So tomorrow we head out to Monument Valley. Now we're just heading back to the campground. yeah.
and enjoying the scenic view.
And I'm feeding my baby.
As Chad goes over the rumble bars.
And I'm feeding my baby bottle.
Oh, we just got back to the campground. Gonna let Bodie out. You gonna let Bodie bear out? Yeah. Hey, Chunker. Oh, you look all sleepy. You look sleepy, bear.
Mom, can you open the door?
Yeah. Trying to get some B-roll, maybe. We're actually heading to the convenience store because they've got these Mexican popsicles, strawberry flavor. Oh my God, so
Watch
good.
out for a cactus.
They're so good. Yum. Try to get us another one before we leave camp.
And Utah has a no sack plastic sack policy through the state, so they give you groceries in paper bags, and I feel bad for throwing them away.
Garbage round. When you throw over your shirt. Oh, you found it.
Oh, Cash is going with the push-up top.
What flavor are you gonna get, Jet?
You got mine?
Yeah, I got yours.
Okay.
These things are the bomb.
Delicious.
Yeah. You need to find them at our
I saw
local.
them at the store.
I'm sure South Sioux's gotta have them.
I was gonna grab them at the store, but I was like, those will probably not fit and they will melt in our freezer.
Damn.
What's this Twix one?
Try it. I'd love to have a bite of it.
Oh, it's Twix.
What's in your grabbing?
Twix?
Is it just a big Twix?
I don't know, it's just an ice cream bar.
Oh, okay. Alright.
We're ready.
Bill, come here. Show us what you got. What? Do it again. Ooh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I'm a
Huh?
Get it open right.
I like to lick mine.
No way.
Why don't you lick it? It lasts longer.
It's hot.
How's your Twix? Let me have a bite of it. Please? I wanted one of those yesterday so bad. Hold on.
Did you park here?
Oh God. Oh God, those are dangerous. Mmm. Pretty good, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh shit. Ooh, that's deadly. Yeah, could you imagine coming out here on a wagon like that with a set of mules or something? And this is what you're riding on? Oh my God.
Then you break your axles.
Break your ass.
Yeah, because look, see?
Look at the seat. And then your ass would just be raw. I wonder if they use like pig fat for the grease in the bearings or something. You know? It is super windy out here. I think I got ice cream all over my beard. Like this. I mean, it's hot out. It's like 90 some.
It's camouflaging.
Right there's a lizard. Probably jump on me.
Touch it.
I know what
No, we're gonna leave him be. Yes. Oh, no way. What's wrong with you? No way.
Yes, those are definitely from the raindrops earlier.
Raindrop. Drop top.
Oh,
We'll see how good this watermelon is. I picked it because it looked like it sat on the ground the longest. That's what some old...
It's gonna be rotten.
Don't jinx us. Some old lady told me that one time. So anyways, we'll give it a try. My Valerian steel. Michael Myers.
Cut your finger off.
Yeah, I hear you. Let me get this angle. Come right-handed, y'all. Whoa, shit, this thing's sharp. Ooh, looks like a good one. I don't think I'm cutting it right. My dad'd be so mad at me. Go like this. If you know a better way of how to slice up a watermelon, leave that in the comment below. Alright. So let's let Jet be the first taste tester of the watermelon. And your reactions. This good? Alright. Let's take one over to Mom. Okay, Mom, what do you think? Did I do good? Is it good?
Yes, it's very good.
So,
It's not rotten.
so what you're telling me is that the one with the yellow, the big yellow spot on it is a good choice? Let me get...
Not as sweet as I thought it would be. It's good.
Yeah, it's not super sweet. But it's not bad.
Child.
Where are you going?
Good.
I think we're gonna do another test. I picked one that had the biggest yellow spot on it. It looked like it sat in the ground the longest. And it's not very sweet. Maybe it's just this watermelon.
Maybe it's just Texas.
Maybe it's the Texas. It's from Texas. I'm not hating on you Texas people. I love Texas.
You've never really even been there long enough.
Excuse me? I've never really been to Texas.
And when have you been in Texas?
I said I would move to Texas. But Jessie says, nope, too many tornadoes. She doesn't feel like being Reed Timmer. I don't know, if you guys know how to pick a good watermelon, maybe leave a comment down below. Let us know. And even how to cut them better, maybe. You buttering up that corn?
I am. Slathering it.
All right, let me show everybody your burger down here. What we got here? Ooh, that looks so good. Chad. Go ahead and start eating, bud.
I'll wait.
You gonna wait?
Not yellow.
Yeah, try it, Jet. See what you think. Dinner is served.